I generally don't want to put videos where where I express frustration, anger, or hatred towards any individual. But this is a video I had to create. I sincerely had to create. Now, check down in the link in the description down below. There is this article that was on Gulf News and world over of a 60-plus man marrying a 12-year-old girl. Okay? Now, as soon as this incident was reported, I was absolutely, again, pissed off, disgusted. I've seen videos like, I've literally seen with my own eyes videos where in Afghanistan or in Pakistan, 60-year-old men or 50-year-old men just speaking to another guy and taking their 6-year-old daughter or 4-year-old girl, or they're taking as their bride. Okay? And everyone's screaming and shouting and all the children are crying, and this old men, they take this small little girl and they take them as their bride. Now, right off the bat, let me tell you, I'm aware of the fact that this is not mainstream. Educated people don't do this. But let's admit that this is a reality. This is a reality of what is happening. So no sooner than that I saw that, I was pissed off, I was angry. I put, this sickness is there only with some Muslims. Remember, some Muslims. And it's an interpretation of a Quran verse that people use and justify pedophilia. Okay? Sex with small children. Now, no sooner than I shared this in my groups, there were some Pakistani men who were very offended. Okay, they were like, hey Lloyd, never expected this out of you. You're a Pakistani hater and all that. Okay, fine. Then there were Muslims who said, Lloyd, you can't paint all of Islam because of this one incident. Okay. Some others said, oh Lloyd, we always knew you're a Islam hater. And then some others said that, Lloyd, you're so toxic, you're so evil, you're full of hatred. Okay. Now the funny thing which I found out was, I didn't mind all this until one guy, I don't want to take his name, he's in my group, he's 40-year-old. He was like, he commented directly to me and he said, something in the lines of, this is wrong that you are putting Islam in a negative light or talking about Islam in this way. And so the funny thing which I found out with this comment was, he finds it wrong that I brought this incident up. He finds it wrong that I criticized this act. He finds it wrong that I criticize such a person. But he doesn't find this act wrong. He doesn't, for him, he's offended by the fact that I criticize the religion, but he's not offended by the fact that the 60-year-old man got married to a 12-year-old girl. And mind you, he's an educated guy, he's not a dumb guy. Huh? So I asked him, can I ask you a simple question? He said, I'm not a scholar of Islam, neither are you, but I can try to answer. I said, it's not a religious question that I'll ask you, a simple question. He said, yes, go ahead. So my question to him was, the act of a 50 or a 60-year-old man, or the act of an adult to marry a underage girl, do you approve of it or do you not? Okay, once again I'll repeat the question. The very act of an adult, a grown-ass man, 20, 30, marrying a small girl, 12-year-old or 15-year-old, okay, is that acceptable to you or not? Like a 60-year-old man marrying a 6-year-old girl or 12-year-old girl, is that acceptable or not? And you'll not believe what was his answer. This is an educated man based abroad. He's telling me, his answer was, Loy, it depends. It depends on the circumstance, it depends on the situation. What the fuck are you talking? It depends on the situation. So, a 60-year-old man marrying and having sex with an underage girl is okay in some situations or circumstances. This is what he meant. For me, I was just a little stunned because this is an educated man. But I was not surprised, because the problem is, if he were to say, no, it's wrong, then he knows he has to justify what Prophet Muhammad did. But if he says it is right, then he supports pedophilia. So, what is the best answer? It depends. See, this is not me brandishing Islam as... Islam is a lifestyle. You cherry pick what you want. Jihad can be doing good for others. Jihad can be religion. Jihad can be killing others. There are 100 people who have 100 different variations. In fact, go to Google or go to YouTube and just Google search in Islam how to beat your wife. There are scholars who literally tell you how to beat your wife properly. They give you the techniques of how to beat your wife. On YouTube, there are channels whereby if you leave Islam, you have to kill that person. There are honor killings in Islam. If you dishonor the family, you have to kill the girl. Okay, there is stoning. I've seen videos of them stoning. I've seen videos of them. You can go to this snuff website. They show that chopping, slicing, cutting arms in Islam. If you're gay, they'll throw you down from a building and kill you. Okay. Now, I know what you'll say. There are problems in every religion. Fine. I agree with you. But for a Muslim, an educated Muslim that too, I'm talking of this individual person, to not criticize something that is so disgusting, for me that is fucking pathetic, yeah. You know, when 9/11, September that 11, the bomb attacks took place, I was DJing in Ajman Kempinski. I remember these Arabs sitting around the TV and shouting, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. And these very same Arabs were drinking alcohol, and they were with Russian whores. So, see, the problem is, where you want, you bring Allah. Where you want, you bring Gullah. And where you want, you bring Rasgullah. This is the problem with religion. This is the problem. Now, that doesn't mean Hindus are saints. I know plenty of Sikh Hindus who harass good Muslims. That doesn't mean Christians are saints. There's a massive pedophilia issue with the priesthood. Okay? And it doesn't mean atheists are all good. There are so many who come. In fact, I shared one image, which I don't want to share, of two underage girls in a go-go bar. And men, it's on a Facebook group where these two underage girls are wearing a see-through dress. And they say, come enjoy. And there are men who are saying, oh man, I would love to eat her. You know, this, and I'd like to stick my tongue in her. Bring both of them, I'll fuck them the whole night. You're talking of family men. Men with families talking about having sex with small children. Sick individual, sick human being. Sick. I do not have any respect for this man. Any respect whatsoever. Because for him it's normal. I let him know that I pity your children. I pity your children because I do not know what he will do to his own children in the name of religion. Yes. It's so disgusting. I'm sorry, but if you find this normal, please stay away from me, get away from me. I don't even want to discuss with you. If you justify, if you find it normal or acceptable that a 60-year-old man marry a 12-year-old girl or an underage girl or a 9-year-old, 6-year-old because it's okay in Islam, or it's okay for your prophet in those outdated prehistoric times, and it's okay today, please get the fuck out. It's sick. I hate such religious ideas. I hate such religious concepts. I hate such religious beliefs where, Sadhika, where it's okay to be a pedophile, it's okay to hurt others, it's okay to harm others in the name of whatever God or whatever shitty idea. I don't accept it. I don't like it. I will not be a part of it, and I request you stay away from me. How can you be such a human being? Disgusting person. In fact, I've saved his name as pedophile in my list, because for me he's a pedophile. You know, tomorrow he'll justify having sex with a small girl and say this is what Allah approves of, because Prophet Muhammad had a 16-year-old girl. I'm having sex with a 16-year-old girl. He might get married to one. He'll say this is because Allah has permitted. So I know so many Muslims who say 4 wives because Allah loves it. Okay, stay away from me. That's it. So this is what I wanted to say. You can tell me if I'm right or wrong. But you're free to comment. But as far as being friends with me or part of my private groups, no, get out. I don't want you around. I absolutely don't want. In fact, after this video, I'll throw out that guy. I don't need such mental retards, such disgusting human beings. I don't need them part of my groups who endorse such a belief system. Depends. A 60-year-old man having sex with a 12-year-old girl. When is it okay? Yeah, it depends on the situation. Get the fuck out, man. Anyway, wanted to share my thoughts with you. Let me know what you think. I'm wrong, I'm right. And remember, this is not me hating on all Muslims. It's not hating on Islam. But it's a very translation of a particular verse, cherry picking a verse to suit immoral, unethical, unacceptable acts which are nothing but barbaric, animalistic, and shameful. Anyway, you guys let me know your thoughts. This is me signing off. Take care.
You know why I want this fucking job? You know why the I want a job? Fucking because I'm the only fucking person who wants this fucking job. That's why I want this job.
Stop getting the wrong advice. Ensure you get the right skills for the right job for jobs in the Middle East. Contact Loy Macedo.